Welcome back to American Wing Chun. I am Sifu Matt, and today is day 10 of our 25 Days of Christmas Wooden Dummy Exercises for Beginners series. Today's technique is the Pak-Da, so doing a pak sao, a slapping hand with a strike at the same time. So continuing from the last few videos, we're working on the chin bow, stepping into the leg of the dummy. Now we're going to start from a little bit further away than just standing in front of it. We're going to be a little bit further back where I can't quite reach the arms. And I start in the pre-fighting posture. I'm going to do the chin bow, and my front hand, my mon sao, the inquisitive arm, is going to do the pak sao. My back hand is going to strike, and that's what you do. You palm right through the center of the arms. You're pocking on the inside of the arm, palming right over top of that as you've circled around that leg, and you just strike down the center. And then leaving that hand that you just palmed with in front to go back to your stance, you do the same thing on the other side. So you get to switch sides back and forth automatically by leaving that palming hand in front. So I want to pock and palm, leave that hand there. I pock and palm, leave that hand there, pock and palm. And you can get a lot of repetitions very quickly doing this. And when I do the pak sao, I don't want to go sideways with it. I'm not pushing this to the side. I'm hitting in a downward, diagonal, forward motion into the dummy. I'm not going sideways and down. I'm going somewhat forward with this, but I want to simultaneously strike with my hand. So I am wanting them to feel that sting in their arm at the same time they feel that palm strike their body, whether it's their face or if you're punching and punch them in the throat and punch them in the nose. You can do a palm strike, you can do a spade hand, you can do a sat sao, you can do a fox sao if you're going maybe on the outside of this arm. This strike can be any attack that you want it to be, but the Pak-Da is to pak sao and strike at the same time. So that's basically the technique. You pak and step in with that palm at the same time, and just leave that front hand, the palming hand, in front as you go back, and that switches sides for you automatically. So that technique from yesterday with the chin bow, just add that to this technique. And we'll do a few techniques using this step in some of the later videos. So make sure you are very well practiced in that footwork before you try this thing out. So that is day number 10.